The ISU library provides access to many different types of resources. This tutorial will help you navigate article indexes and databases to find the information you need. Article indexes and databases are tools that help you find specific journal articles and other resources. Some are general while others are more subject-specific. Start on the library's homepage at www.lib.iastate.edu. Click on the Article Indexes and Databases link located to the bottom left of the general search box. This takes you to the Article Indexes and Databases page. Click on the All Subjects drop-down menu to browse the different subject areas. Select the subject area that most closely aligns with your topic, then click the Search button. This will take you to a list of relevant databases on a subject subset page. The list will give you names of databases and brief descriptions relevant to your subject, which can help you determine which to use. At the top of the page is the Best Bet section. These are the databases your subject librarian recommends as most likely to get you the information you need. To access your chosen database, click on the title. You may be prompted to log in using your ISU NetID. Other helpful tips. If you need help getting started with research, your class may already have a research guide developed specifically to help you with your assignments. Many research guides are also listed on this subject subset page. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Our contact information is found at www.lib.iastate.edu. Ask a librarian or use the live chat feature on our website to connect with library staff in real time. Like this video and subscribe to the Iowa State University Library channel to stay connected with library services, events, and helpful research content. Thanks for watching.